there, this is Dr. Siegel here with Teresa with Natural Transplants, and Teresa's here for a hair transplant today. Teresa has quite a bit of hair loss, as you'll see through the pictures. Teresa, what brought you here to Natural Transplants?
I had suffered hair loss probably the better part of the last 5 years. I wore a lot of hair weaves, a lot of braids in my younger 20s and 30s, but most recently I had become addicted to wearing braided down tight weaves and noticed over a period of time that my hairline started to recede back. However, because of the addiction, I can admit it, that I kept doing it even though I knew that it was damaging the edges in my hairline.
And that's the one thing we do see here at Natural Transplants. There's a lot of women who are so addicted to getting the perms, getting the styling, getting the tight braids, and we're not invincible is what eventually happens, and you get that traction alopecia, and before you know it, your hair is receded 2-3 inches, and the only way to resolve that is through a transplant. Well, Teresa, we're going to get started. We're actually already in the procedure room, so we're excited. We look forward to a good procedure, and we'll keep on checking up on you.
Okay, thanks.
Awesome. So here we are with Teresa. Now we have officially gone ahead and removed the strip, and we've gone ahead and sutured the strip back together. I have been able to now comb out her hair to where you can't even see that the strip was ever taken out. So that is something that was very important to Teresa.
Yes.
Is not to be able to see the suture line nor see the sutures. So how have you been so far?
It's been amazing. You guys are doing just what I was afraid of. I wanted to be sure that that wasn't going to be able to be seen because of my profession, and I'm very self-conscious. I have low self-esteem because of what's going on with my hairline and things, so that not having a plug taken out and being able to see it was really making me nervous. But the fact that I can't even feel it and the hair has covered it has really boosted my self-confidence in knowing that this is going to be a great process.
And in about 10 days, we'll go ahead and remove the sutures, 10 to 12 days. And then she won't even know anything's going on back there, which is awesome.
Thank you. That's exactly what I was going for.
And we'll catch up with Teresa in just a little bit.
Thank you.
Here we are with Teresa. We are now finishing up the procedure. So how did everything go?
It was amazing. Everybody was so nice. I don't feel a thing, just a little tightness as you explained earlier. But I'm really happy to see the buds in the areas that were most troublesome to me, as far as like in my crown area. And I'm happy to know that the hair that you did take away is actually going to grow back, the fuzz.
So we've really gone ahead and tried packing it as tight as we can, but large area, and we know we expect really good results, and time will only tell.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to seeing the buds come back.
And once she's off out of the chair, we'll go ahead and just do a final wrap up.
Thank you very much, you guys. They've been amazing.
And here we are. We have just completed the procedure. How was your day?
My day was good. I have no pain. I am very happy to see where you covered the trouble areas that I was really concerned about. You explained everything in great detail, and I am very, very excited to see the next phase over the next few months.
So we had a great day. She was a great patient, Teresa. You've been a pleasure. The whole staff really enjoyed getting to know you, and that's what we do. We really become personal here. We spend a lot of time together, and we look forward to an amazing result. And the great news is that Teresa actually lives here, so we're going to get to see her a lot of follow-ups.
6, 9, and 12.
And so we're going to also take the sutures out, so you'll get to see the awesome suture line.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
And Teresa, we look forward to a lot more videos and a lot more time together.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And ladies, If you have been wearing weaves or extensions and you're at an age where you're over 40, please understand that your hair does not grow back the same, and you've got to give up something if you want to keep your hairline. It's really important.
I totally agree. And that's the one thing that people have to understand is our hair will go ahead and eventually give way. And that's what will go ahead and lose your edges. But again, you do have natural transplants here to go ahead and replace your edges. Definitely give us a call if you are interested.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.